Hey guys, Jonathan here from TechMajesty.com. Today I'll be showing you how to clean the Sprint iPhone 7 Plus from blacklisted status. This method also works on the iPhone 7 as well. Our service supports any Sprint iPhone model such as the iPhone 4, 4S, 5, 5S, 5C, 6, 6 Plus, 6S, 6S Plus, the 8, 8 Plus, the iPhone X, and any new upcoming iPhone models as well. So I'll show you an iPhone 7 Plus as an example where we will remove the phone from the blacklist. I'll show you the time and date so you can see in real time that we do actually clean the IMEI and remove it from the blacklist. So let's go to an IMEI checking website so you can see the IMEI belongs to an iPhone 7 Plus and also see the status of the IMEI number. Let me grab the IMEI number here. And as you can see, this IMEI does belong to an iPhone 7 Plus, and this phone is blacklisted for being reported lost and stolen. Now I'm going to check this same IMEI number on another website to show you the results are consistent. And as you can see, this is an iPhone 7 Plus, and this phone is blacklisted for being reported lost and stolen. Alright, so now I'm going to show you the time and date for today. The time is 12:53 a.m. It is January 3rd, 2018, and we are located in Miami, Florida. The blacklist removal will take us 3 to 5 business days to get done. I'll return once it's done and show you guys the clean status of the phone, and we'll also show you the time and date again so you can see our service is working. In the meanwhile, I'll show you how to place your order for the Sprint cleaning service. We will go to TechMajesty.com, and once we are here, we will go ahead and choose the Blacklist Removal Service section, then choose the Sprint Cleaning Service. Then once you are here, go ahead and write the model number of your phone. I have the iPhone 7 Plus, so that's what I'll write here. Then in the IMEI field, write the 15-digit IMEI number of your phone. You can find this number by dialing *#06# on your phone's dialer. After that, click on the Add to Cart button and go through the checkout process to complete your order. Once you complete the checkout, you'll receive an email within 3 to 5 business days informing you that your device has been unblocked. The email will look like this and say Order Enclosed. So guys, I'm back again. The blacklist removal has been completed, so let's go and see the results. So let me grab the IMEI number of this iPhone here. Next, we will go to the first IMEI checking website. And as you can see, this is the same iPhone 7 Plus, and the phone has been removed from the blacklist. Next, I'm going to go to the second IMEI checking website. And as you can see, the blacklist status is clean, so this IMEI checking website also verifies this phone has been removed from the blacklist. Now let me go show you the time and date. The time is 2:42 p.m. We are located in Miami, Florida, and it is January 7, 2018. So guys, it's as easy as that to remove your Sprint iPhone 7 or 7 Plus from the blacklist and to start using your phone again. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and don't forget to subscribe if this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching.